have arrived at Jericho, the Russian Museum, President Dmitry Medvedev Street in Jericho, the sycamore tree that Zacchaeus climbed when Jesus visited Jericho. The oldest city, 1300 feet below sea level, Tel Es-Sultan, similar age with Pyramid of Giza. The Mount of Temptation is the place where Jesus was tempted in the wilderness. So this is the square at Jahalin, and this is the shared taxi, the route to Jericho or Ariha. So let's go. This is the shared taxi. Welcome to Palestine. Welcome to Palestine.
Welcome to Palestine. Free Palestine.
Happy Palestine.
سنة 25 30 سنة
أكثر
هيك شيء. أنا لحقته لما بكير نصل الليدو ما شربتش جعلك للشباب.
صحيح.
هم الكبار بيشربوا.
بعدين المي بالعزرية غالية المي.
غالية المي.
Guys, so I have arrived at Jericho. The municipality office is over there, and this is the city center of Jericho. Very beautiful. And now I'm gonna go to Tel Es-Sultan, which is the archaeological site, the ancient city of Jericho. So Jericho is known as the oldest fortified city in the world from 9600 BC, before Christ. So it's like 12,000 years ago. So let's go, we walk there maybe 1 hour. That's the municipality office. On my right is the Russian Museum. You can see the architecture style and the flag there. That's Russian flag, and it's famous because there is the sycamore tree that Zacchaeus climbed. Okay, maybe not the sycamore tree from of old, but maybe the descendants. But it's there. Let's go and check it out. There is a plaque here. Under the auspices and in the presence of His Excellency Dmitry Medvedev and His Excellency Mahmoud Abbas, President of Palestine, the inauguration of President Dmitry Medvedev Street in Jericho. And this is Medvedev Street, where the Russian Museum is, which is here. And this one, they claim this is the sycamore tree that Zacchaeus climbed when Jesus visited Jericho. The Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church, Saint Gabriel Monastery. This is Jericho Resort Village. You can see the cliffs at the distance there. Yeah. Let's go. Tulul Abu El Alaik Herod's Palace and Coptic Church, the monastery of Saint Zacchaeus and Saint Andrew over there. But we first go to Tel Es-Sultan, the oldest city in Jerusalem, 21.58 kilometers. And Tel Es-Sultan is over there. And there is a cable car going all the way to the cliff over there. There might be a monastery up there. Yep, there on the cliff. But first, let's visit the archaeological site. This might be the place. There, I'll show you. Jericho, the oldest city of the world. And also Jericho, the lowest place on earth, 1300 feet below sea level, 10,000 years old. Blessed peace from the oldest city. Woo! There is a cable car station there. That's the cable car. Okay, sampai dengan. And this is Tal Es-Sultan, Palestinian National Authority. Let's go. I just paid the ticket for adult 10 shekels. Tel Jericho. And here there is a map. So I'll just show you the map so later I can explain more easily. So we enter from here. And there is a Roman wine press, but the most important thing is of course this one, number one, pre-pottery Neolithic tower and town wall from 8500 BC. Pre-pottery Neolithic tower. So it's the oldest fortified tower, fortified city in the world. And there's Elisa Spring. Later we go there, across the road where there's a cable car. So let's enter. I'll tell you a little bit about the story. And this is Palestine flag. Wow. Let's go. Fortunately, we are under the cloud now because Jericho is really hot because of its very low position. It's 37 degrees Celsius right now, but it's okay. And this is Tel Jericho. This is the first one, Area B, early Bronze Age 3. City walls and building from 2700 to 2350 BC. Wow, 4700 years ago. The age, similar age with Pyramid of Giza. So it's a double wall. This is the first wall, and there, that one is the second wall. I'll zoom a little bit. Yep. Imagine 4700 years ago. And we're gonna go even further deeper into time. Tranche 3. So there's like 9 layers, all the way from the Roman period and above, even like 19th century, Hellenistic, and early Bronze and pre-Neolithic. Later you will see this one, house with pastel floor and cigar-shaped mud brick, characteristic of pre-pottery Neolithic period, 7500 BC. This one, cigar-shaped. Let's see. And by the way, I'll show you a bit of Jericho, because you can already see this is the city of Jericho. Actually, the main city now is over there, the modern one. And here is the cable car. If there is time and it's open, maybe later we take this and go to the top so we can see the whole valley, Jericho Valley, from the top over there. See? Nice. More explanation, but more interesting is this one. Palm dates, I guess. See, that's why it's called the city of palm. Wow, that one. See, the Cyclopean wall, Middle Bronze Age. You can see the stone. It's really big. 3rd millennium BC administration quarter. And there's a princely tomb here. Imagine, more than 3,000 years ago. And the findings include this one, jewelry and scarab bearing hieroglyphic title of the Lords of Jericho Achmeruha, 1850 to 1800 BC. And in situ pottery. Wow, look at the city. There is a viewing platform here where we can see the city of Jericho, modern Jericho, lowest city on earth since ancient times, which is here, ancient Jericho, Tel Es-Sultan. And here also Middle Bronze Age, and that you can see over there. I zoom. Yeah, that's the valley, and River Jordan You couldn't see it, but it's supposed to be there. And Elijah crossed here, all the way here, and this is the spring, Elijah spring. You know the story in the Bible where Elijah actually helped purify the uncleanness in the spring. You need to see this Jericho, layers upon layers, until you reach the very bottom, which is this circular tower built 8,500 years ago, 8 meter high and wide. Wow, pre-pottery culture, Neolithic period in Jordan Valley, 10,000 years ago. Whew. Overlooking the Jordan Valley, which is over there. Nice. Can you imagine it, guys? This is the old city of Jericho, the one mentioned in the book of Joshua, captured by the Israelites. So the Israelites, according to the book of Joshua, they circled the city 7 times, and then the city wall suddenly crumbled, and only Rahab the prostitute survived. It crumbled like this. This is Jericho, and this is the highest point of the old city. Whew. City of Palms. And the tower is there. Okay, let's go and check if we can get on the cable car and visit that all the way to that cliff. I will explain again this part because this one is very important if you like to hear about Bible stories. So this is the double walls. You can see this is the first wall, and that's the outer wall. So between the two walls, it's like a casement wall. It's rooms and chambers. So this is actually the south gate, and that's why it's open. But it goes all the way, circling the city from there and towards here also. So this part survived. So maybe if you know the story of Rahab, maybe she's somewhere living in this quarter or one of these, and you know, putting a red scarf outside the city wall, so they know that this one is her house, and Rahab and her family survive. And this to the outside. Okay, let's continue to Elijah Spring and the cable car. And this is welcome to Jericho cable car. It's the lowest cable car on earth because it's located 280 meters below ground, below sea level. Sorry, below sea level. Let's check how much is the price. If it's okay, we'll take it. You can see it says Selamat datang, welcome. It's 60 shekel, very expensive, so I won't take it. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go to the spring. I'll just show you the station. Guinness Book World of Records, the lowest one on this planet. Whew. And it takes you all the way to the Mount of Temptation there. So they say, so yep, it's to the Mount of Temptation. I'll show you. It's like this. So traditionally, the Mount of Temptation is the place where Jesus was tempted in the wilderness. I already showed you before, but later I will show again. It's actually that one, and this is the car if you wanna see. 60 shekels, a bit too expensive. It takes you all the way there, Mount of Temptation. Whew. Qasr Hisam Umayyad Palace, 2 kilometers there. And this is the spring of Eliza. Yeah, just a small water canal there now. If you want to enter, 5 shekel. I think no need. We just see that one over there. That's the spring. Yep, that's the spring. Very clear. Okay, that's it guys. Let's go back and leave Jericho. That's for today. We don't have time to visit the city of David, so maybe tomorrow morning. Guys, one more thing. I just came out from this shop and I found Indomie. Indomie in Jericho, West Bank, Palestine is only 7 shekels. Very cheap. Even though of course in Indonesia it's cheaper, but this one is very cheap compared to in Jerusalem. Okay, let's go back. We are back near the city center of Jericho. Bakery shop here, and this one 5 shekel. Okay, so I think that's the route or short fan to Al Azariah. Ikuti terus Bang Jago, sampai jumpa.